Hey you guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got some RV goodies that we are going to be unboxing for you guys to hopefully enjoy and check out. And it gives you an idea of what you're getting, of course, when you order that package. So don't forget, like and subscribe to our channel if you enjoy it. And hey, we appreciate it. Thanks y'all. Our surge protector, after many years of use, good use out of it, has finally set sail. So we went ahead and we've purchased it along with a power adapter. And we're going to unbox these today so we can show you what we bought off of reviews that we thought would best suit us for our camp. Alright, the first one we're going to unbox is this package right here. I think this is our surge protector, so we're going to find out. Aha! It is. It's our surge protector. Alright, after many reviews, we went with a Progressive Industries 30 amp smart RV surge protector. There's many reasons why we chose this protector. I'm going to open it up and show you those reasons. This is how it comes right outside the box. And this nice little handy cover on it as well. Alright, so the reason why we chose this protector is because of the lights that are on there. And of course the cover. And that it's short, so that way it helps keep everything out of the dirt when you're hooked up to it. These lights illuminate green, red, and blue. If it's green, it's good. If it's red or blue, there's something wrong. And it's going to tell you right here in this fine print on what is going on. And that way, you don't hook your RV into a bad power pole. I want to kind of give you guys an idea also, before we end on this, an idea of how this is going to look once you put it together. It's going to come with, of course, this, which hooks to the actual connector here. It attaches by the included 4 screws. Real simple, real easy. And then this actually attaches in like so. It snaps right in, boom, boom, boom. And this is how it will look once it's assembled. So, that's what you're looking at. Also, just so you know, you get a nice paper manual with this. I know we all like those versus the phone ones. So, you get a paper manual so that it goes into everything that you need for this accessory. Don't forget, it is in the description, the link to this, to our Amazon affiliate store, where you can find it underneath the RV section of our Amazon affiliate store. The link is in the description to this video. Thanks, you guys. Alright, we just showed you guys the surge protector that we picked from Progressive Industries. Now, just for a safeguard, because that one just went out because of age, our power adapter, which is a 50 down to a 30 amp, because our RV is a 30 amp, we went ahead and just for safe purposes, we actually decided to buy a new one. Easy peasy, cheap insurance is what we like to call it. Let's check this one out. Alright, and here we are. It's made by Camco. There's a link in the description, once again, for this product. That's our Amazon affiliate store, once again, with the power surge protector as well. This is a 50 down to a 30, so that way you can plug into those 50 amps and step down, protect your RV all at once. It's kind of like a package deal. But once again, short and length, so that way your gear is not in the dirt as much as possible. We try to keep it out, so hope this helps. Another reason why we picked this Camco power adapter here is because look at these handles on this. Now I've got small hands, but you can really get a hold of it. And as you know, if you have any experience with this, and if you don't, you will, when you go to pull these out of the receptacles, you will appreciate having this grip on either side so that way you can break free from everything. Alright, you guys, so from the links in our description, we really haven't went over this, so I want to give a quick brief from our homepage, theadventurer.net. You're going to go in here and we've got a whole bunch of tabs right here. To go to the Amazon affiliate store, you're actually going to click the Amazon affiliate store link right here. Once you get to it, we're going to tell you all about the Adventure Amazon store. We do make commissions off of this, so this kind of helps us grow. We've set this up. We've got a Jeep product page. We've got the beach must-haves because we frequent the beaches because we love the Gulf Coast beaches. And we have the Precious Camper Supply store from our stuff that I just showed you here. So all we do is we click that link and it brings us back to it. Scroll down. You got the various things, pictures, descriptions beside it. Anything from your filters that you may use, the magic toilet potion, what we like I said, those water filters are great to have. Those are good, inexpensive brand. And the two different type surge protectors, some people have to use a 50, some of us have to use 30. We put both on there for you guys. But here they are. Here's the progressive link right here, and here is that power adapter that is a 50 down to a 30. It's pretty easy, and you see even that we've got an extension cord that I think everybody should keep in their RV. But here it is, and instead of clicking on any of this, we've actually got it where you can click on that picture, and it's going to bring you directly to our Amazon store. It's going to bring it up. It's going to allow you to do the same research you'd normally do on it. It's going to give you the price point. Like I said, there's no adjustment. We just earn a little bit of cash off of it, and it helps us keep growing. But you can check it out from this link. You have to put it in your cart for us, of course, to get credit. Whatever you choose to do, that's how you get to it. If you want to go back, you need to go back to your Internet Explorer, not the Amazon. You go back and click the next one, and it brings you back to the next one. You have to go to each individual item through the store to actually see what we've listed in our store. And it's going to go in there, and you can add it to your cart or buy it now as normal. So anyway, if you choose to do any of this, thank you. We appreciate you, and have a good day. Alright, you guys, this wraps this video up today. We hope that you enjoyed and check these things out. I hope it helps you on your purchase. Remember to subscribe and like to our channel if you did enjoy it. And hey, check out those Amazon links. There may be something else that you might find in there to purchase. We appreciate y'all. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out our website at theadventurer.net for our blog and Amazon store.